How to hyperlink an image in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word document. Insert the image which you want to hyperlink. So you can go to insert and choose the image. As I've already entered the image in my document, so I'll click on it. Then after, go to insert again from the ribbon. There you will see the option of hyperlink. Simply click on it. Once you do, a prompt will appear. There you simply need to write the address of the hyperlink. So for an example, I'll simply write www.google.com. After that, at the top, you simply need to click on screen tag so that you can change the name of the tag which appears once you click on the image. So I'll simply write Google and click on OK. Now once you hover your cursor over the image, as it has been hyperlinked, you will see Google. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.